Hey Mama Strong, my name is Michou and I help moms find ways to enjoy self-care and be the best versions of themselves with affordable beauty. Today's video is a fall evening skincare for dry skin. So this is pretty much my skincare routine for the evening after everything calms down. This is pretty much like my self-care of the day, or my last self-care of the day. So as you can see, everything is very real. I'm just trying to cover my hair so that it doesn't get wet. Next, I'm just grabbing all my products one by one so that I don't have to keep on getting them afterwards. And we're gonna start everything with my makeup eraser. And yes, I know this is just a water activated product, but I like to use my micellar water every now and then. So I use water and micellar water so that it's extra clean, I guess, or it removes everything easily. As you can see, my lips was a little bit stained by the liquid lipstick that I wore today, so I'm going to actually need to scrub my lips this evening. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and remove everything first. So I add more water and more micellar water to the makeup eraser, and then yeah, it pretty much removed everything. And don't worry, I'm very gentle on my eyes, even though it looks like I'm scrubbing hard. I'm not at all. It's very gentle, so you should do the same, okay? When it came to opening my heart, until you found a way to knock down every wall I kept all around. Oh, you came, you saw, you conquered, being loved by you's an honor. And if I ever lose you now, I'd be losing myself too. I won't ever put you down. All my heart hopes you never do. And if the world ended tonight, better believe I'd be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody new. Yeah. And of course, let's not forget our neck, because we bring our foundation down there, so we definitely need to also clean that side, that part of our body. Best parts of me were made from loving you. Best parts of me were made from loving you. I never used to care about me. I always put the other half. I usually let the water run a little bit while I brush my teeth so that it warms up, because you need to wash your face with lukewarm water but not cold water. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just brushing my teeth, and yeah, I'm just waiting for the water to warm up a little. First you showed me that ain't fair. Now I see. Unless it's specified by the product you're using, always wet your face before you cleanse it. But some products you don't need to, but usually you need to wet your face, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm wetting my face first, and then I'm going to use my first cleanser. I'm going to use my my hands for this part, because I'm going to use my Nova brush afterwards. That's why I always felt the hurt. It's you that made me love myself. In a way, I've wanted someone else to love me. I guess that's why I love you more the more the days pass by. If I ever lose you now, I'd be losing myself too. And I won't ever put you down. All my heart hopes you never do. And if the world ended tonight, better believe I'd be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody new. Yeah, the best parts of me were made from loving you. Best parts of me were made from loving you. You make me see you can never love I'm using the same face towel multiple times during this video, but I'm only using it once a day, so I'm using a different one in the morning and a different one in the evening, so that's what makes it okay. And I kind of regretted drying my face so much or so hard because I need to wet it again for the second cleanse. But anyways, it's all good. I gotta wet it again now. The way you love me, I don't get tired of how I did with everybody else. How I did with everybody else. The makeup I wore today was definitely on the heavier side, so that is why I needed to really do like a very deep clean on my skin. So that is why I'm bringing out the Nova brush today. I usually don't use the Nova every night, but I use it maybe like 3 times a week to do like a very deep cleanse on my skin. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Losing myself too. I'll never put you down. Oh, my heart hopes you never do. If the world would end tonight, better believe I'd be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody new. Yeah, the best parts of me were made from loving you. The best parts of me were made from loving you. The best parts of me were made from loving you. The best parts. After cleansing, it's usually toner. I totally forgot to use a toner today, but I was so excited to show you guys this reusable cotton rounds that I have here made of bamboo, but well, totally forgot about it. But anyways, now we're gonna move on to serum. You've seen this serum many times. It helps a lot with my dark spots, acne scars on my face, so that's what I'm using here. And I'm using tapping motion to help the serum go penetrate my skin. Usually beauty gurus will tell you to use all your fingers to do that tapping motion, but you know, any techniques you do, any techniques you apply, as long as the serum goes, you know, in your skin, that's all that matters, right? Okay, so now we're gonna move on to a lip scrub and learn from my mistakes. Mama Strong, make sure you check the expiration date before you use the product. In my heart, until you found a way to knock down every wall I kept all around. Oh, you came, you saw, you conquered, being loved by using on. I did check this product's expiration date after I applied it on my lips. You'll see it right now. See? Yeah, I'm checking it right now if it's expired. And for some reason, I thought it was expiring next month. But it is 9/21. That's the expiration date, which is this month. So you will see what happens to my lips later on. And if I ever lose you now, I'd be losing myself too. I won't ever put you down. All my heart hopes you never do. If the world ended tonight, better believe I'd be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody new. Yeah, the best parts of me were made from loving you. After getting rid of the towel, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face. Make sure you use a very deep moisturizer, because you double cleanse your face, especially for dry skin. You double cleanse your face, so your face need all the moisture that you can get afterwards. So that's why I am putting extra moisturizer tonight. And also make sure that the serum that you applied is actually dry before you go on with your moisturizer.
You showed me that ain't fair. Now I see, that's why I always felt the hurt. It's you that made me love myself. In a way, I've wanted someone else to love me. I guess that's why I love you more the more the days pass by. If I ever lose you now, I'd be losing myself too. And I won't ever put you down. All my heart hopes you never do. And if the world ain't tonight, better believe I'll be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody.
After you give yourself some facelift, you're gonna go ahead and use a face roller, a Jade face roller. I got mine from Wish, but you can get these pretty much anywhere nowadays. I usually do these techniques. I usually do this technique in the morning, but well, I just felt like doing it at night today for you, Mama Strong. How like you are. Anyways, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just trying to, circulate my blood, I guess, get a good circulation on my face so that, it reduces any puffiness that can occur. Remember when I told you I'll show you what happened to my lips later on? Well, there you have it. That's what happened to my lips. So for some reason, that lip scrub that I got from Shop Miss A, by the way, but it was like a couple years ago. So yeah, that lip scrub made my face swell, made my lips swell. Like, yeah, anyways, moving on. So as you can see, I'm just using the small side of the roller for like under my eyes and like, small spaces of my face, and the rest all over my face. Yes, I use this roller all over my face because, like I said, I want to just get rid of all the puffiness that could occur. And yeah, that's pretty much why I use it in the morning, because it's also cooling, so it helps the product enter my skin and also, relieve any puffiness and make my face extra slim, even though I have chubby cheeks sometimes.
No, yeah, the best parts of me were made from loving you. The best parts of me were made from loving you. You made me see you can never love someone until you love yourself the way you love me. I don't get tired.
Okay, next step is eye cream. I should just put the eye cream before I use the Jade roller under my eyes, but you know what? It's life. Sometimes things get mixed up, and it's real life, Mama Strong, right? Anyway, so yeah, I'm just using the eye cream under my eyes and also on my forehead. As you can see, I have like this permanent line or two on my forehead. I've had that line since I was 15, so yeah, life. But yeah, that's what I'm doing here.
How I did with everybody else. How I did with everybody else. If I ever lose you now, I'd be losing myself too. I won't ever put you down. All my heart hopes you never do.
And instead of using a regular balm, try to use a lip mask for this part, because you just scrubbed your lips, so it's extra vulnerable, extra gentle, extra soft, so you need to use a mask to like help it a little bit to hydrate during the night and things like that, so that it will recover from the trauma of of the scrub. Anyways, you know what I'm trying to say. But that's pretty much today's video, Mama Strong. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You'll help YouTube push my video if you did like it. Anyways, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.
If the world was ending